now we begin with 4.2 exercise, in which we have to construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4. That means our base is 7.4. Let me take base 7.4 centimeter, and angle XYZ means my angle is YZ. Let us take this Y, which is 45 degree, and here it is given XY minus XZ. That means XY minus XZ is 2.7. It is not given now sum, it is given difference. In previous exercise, we learned the sum of two sides. Now here we will be learning difference. So difference is there, that means from Y I have to give an arc of 2.7 centimeter. Join this point and the point Z, and now take the pointer, draw a perpendicular bisector, and wherever this perpendicular bisector will meet with this line, that would be your required triangle. So in this case, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this line. Let us label this point as D. Earlier this point was over here. Now our point is here. Okay, let's begin. First, let us draw a line of 7.4 centimeter, children. As for our rough figure, mark the point Y, take 7.4, mark the point Z, this is 7.4 centimeter. Now as per our rough figure, at Y we should have 45 degree. Let's take the protector, keep it on Y. The pointer of the protector should exactly coincide with the Y, and measure in anti-clockwise direction 45 degree, 40, 45, mark it 45 and draw a line. Yes. Now this is your 45 degree angle. Now as for the rough figure, it is 2.7, our point D. So let us take 2.7 and keep your pointer here at Y and give an arc. See children, it is 2.7. Yes, keep at Y, give an arc. Now join this point and Z. Now as the difference is given, this is our point D. Earlier we got this point here, but now we are getting this point over here. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of YZ. Keep the pointer at Z and take more than half, children. See, this is more than half. Now give an arc over here and give an arc here. Keep at D. Give an arc here and give an arc here. Join these two intersecting arc Now wherever, keep the scale properly again. Now you draw the line and that line must reach to this line, Y. Yes. Now the line perpendicular bisector is cutting this line over here. This will be your point X. This is your point X. Join X and Z. This will be your required triangle. This line is equal to this line. Let us measure XD and XZ. Seven centimeter, children. 7 centimeter. That means the point X is on the perpendicular bisector of DZ. It is at equal distance from D and Z. This is your required triangle. Now we have, children, question number 2 from 4.2 exercise. We have to construct triangle PQR in such a way that QR is 6.5. QR. So let's take point 6.5. Let's take at what where, whether at Q or whether at R, the angle is mentioned. Yeah, the angle is mentioned at Q. So let me label it as Q and this is R. QR is 6.5 and PQ minus PR. That means my point D would be somewhere here, is 2.5. Draw a line of 60 degree and then give an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Join, draw the line, mark the point Q. Take 6.5 centimeter and locate the point R. 6.5 centimeter. Keep the protector at point Q and mark the angle as 60 degree. Children, this diagram is going to be little larger diagram because we have 60 degree angle. Draw the line which will join the point which is located by us for 60 degree. Up to there, draw the line, large line. Yes. Okay. Now take the compass and measure 2.5 centimeter. Keep it at the point Q. Give an arc on the line. Join this intersecting point. Label it as D. Join D and R. Now we are supposed to draw perpendicular bisector of DR. So take the compass, keep at the D, and it should be more than half, children. You can see very clearly here. More than half. Give an arc here and give an arc below, other side of the line DR. Take the compass, give an arc here, give an arc here. Join these two intersecting arcs. Now children, we can see the points, both the lines are not intersecting. So we need to extend these two lines further. Keep the scale very properly and extend the line further. Yes. Extend it further. Yes. Keep the scale here. Keep further. Now keep the scale here. Yes, this is the point which we got, and that point is point P. So this is our required triangle PQR. Join P and R. Children, we need to take the bigger scale. Children, after joining, let us measure this side. It is 18.2. You can see, children, see here 0, and at this point it is 18.2. Now this side, keep the scale. Yes. $18.2. So this side also we got 18.2, children. PR and PD 18.2. Why? Because point P is on perpendicular bisector of DR, and the point which is on perpendicular bisector is always at equal distance from both sides. Children, now we have 4.2 exercise. Question number 3. We have to construct triangle ABC such that BC is 6 centimeter and at angle B we have 100 degree. So our rough diagram first we will draw. This side I am drawing it now. So my BC is 6 centimeter and at B I have an angle of 100 degree, which is 100 degree here. Now children, the angle B is 100 degree and I have difference between AC and AB as 2.5 centimeter. So earlier we were giving an arc above point B. Now we have to extend this line, and from point B I have to give an arc below and mark this point as D and join C. Now we are getting DC. We are supposed to now draw perpendicular bisector of DC. And when we join them, the line which we will get, that will be line L, which will be a perpendicular bisector of DC, and here we will be getting the point A, and we will get AD equal to AC. So let's have the construction, children. Yes, draw a line as per the rough figure. You can see, children, clearly. BC, locate the point B, mark it B, and at 6.6 centimeter, mark the point C. Now take the protector, keep it at point B, mark 100 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Draw the line which joins the point, this point and point B. This is your 100 degree angle. Now keep the scale, children, here again. We want this point D, we can see in rough figure. So we have to extend this line. Keep the scale properly. and extend the line below. Give an arc of 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. Take 2.5 centimeter. centimeter. Keep at point B pointer. Give an arc on the extended line. Join this intersecting arc and line and point C to get DC. This is your point D. Now draw perpendicular bisector of DC. See, earlier children, we have taken this point D above because it was less than 90 degree. Now it is more than 90 degree, therefore we have to take it below the line BC. So I need to bisect the line DC. Keep the pointer at C. Take more than half. Children, you can see it is more than half. Yes, give an arc above line DC. Sorry, children. This is line DC. So above the line DC and below the line DC. Now keep the pointer here at D and give an arc here above the line DC and below the line DC. You can see these two arcs are intersecting. Now join them. Yes, join it, extend it further. Yes, you got this point and this point is point A. Let me label it with black marker because our construction is overlapping with the rough diagram, children. So this is your point A and B, C. So here we have AC equal to let us measure AD and AC. Join AC. We located the point A. We have not joined AC. Yeah, this is the required triangle ABC, where AD is equal to AC. Let's measure AD. Now we have this as 14.5. Let's measure AC. This is also 14.5. Children, you can see DC line, this is the line L. This is the perpendicular bisector of DC. On the line DC, perpendicular bisector of DC, point A is there. And that point, we know earlier also we have done, is at equal distance from D and C. AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. Because point A is on perpendicular bisector of DC. This is the line DC and line L is the perpendicular bisector. So triangle ABCD BC is the required triangle.